braces walang bunot. What kind of expanders was used? Kasi adult ka na and usually expanders won't work anymore pag fuse na yung palate mo. Boss, ang tanda mo na, pang bata lang ang expander. Sa age mo hindi na obra ang expander. So, this is a very common sentiment. Ewan ko, yun ba yung turo sa dental school? I am already an adult. 32 years old ako nag-start and I'm now 34 nung natapos ko yung expander phase ng treatment ko. And as you can see, it really does work on adults. As explained to me by my airway dentist, pag bata daw, hindi pa fuse yung palate. So, ideal talaga na doon mag-expander. Pero pag matanda ka na, it doesn't mean na hindi na pwede. Kasi the palate is just like any bone in the body. If you break your arm, pag matanda ka na, gagaling pa din naman. Although, mas matagal lang compared sa sana kung nabalian ka nung bata ka. It's the same thing with the palate. I think I am the example, no? I am the specimen. I am the guinea pig na expanders do work on adults, mas matagal nga lang compared sa bata. But it's not a reason to say hindi na pwede.